It's Saturday evening, I'm off to a Burns night, and I just wanted to pop this really quick video together for you to say that I'm going to be in the next day or two revealing all the detail on our wonderful networking and training day that we've got planned for you in London on the 16th of March. That's a Friday. So hopefully you've seen my reserve the date notifications in the group, and that's going to be safely in your diary already, because it's going to be an absolutely fantastic day. And do watch out for the early bird booking. So we are going to release the first few tickets and at an extra special price. So I really hope you're going to be joining us. Have a fab Saturday wherever you are. Bye for now.